If my CX agent walked into a cafe, it would order a black coffee. AI should be used to provide the most direct path to your consumer's desired outcome. Charlie Besecker, I'm the CEO of Gladly. Gladly is a CX platform built for and trusted by high-end retailers. Most legacy help desks were built around tickets, we're built around the customer. AI can actually access everything that's ever happened between an individual and that particular brand. And what that does is it gives a lifelong conversation, and we can provide radical personalization at scale. An example of that is I had to call one of our golf brands, and as soon as they picked up, they said, "Oh, hey Charlie, is this about the order that was just dropped off?" And I explained my issue, and she said, "While I'm pulling that up, how was the golf trip with your brother 2 years ago?" And you can only do that with Gladly's specific type of architecture. With Gemini, we were able to actually make our big breakthrough on AI voice. When we switched to Gemini, our voice quality improved by 1,500 times. Not 1,500%, 1,500 times. It enables us to provide such nuance in terms of how our brands are able to speak to their customers. We also use it to help our customers interact with different demographics that might have different expectations as well. We really break the world down into kind of two things. Think about every interaction is about what does the world know about this company and what does the company know about the customer. And Gladly has perfected, if I may, what the company knows about the customer. Order history, lifetime value, preferences, return likelihood, all of these different things. Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, it has enabled us to bring in the rest of the world's data and marry those data sets together to provide an even better experience than we already were. With Google Cloud, Gladly's building the new way to provide radical personalization at scale for companies that really put a premium on their customer experience.